This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vilma Mansur. Beautiful and spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa available for rent in the highly desirable Timberwalk II section of Loggers Run, Boca Raton. Enjoy vaulted ceilings, a split-bedroom floor plan, eating kitchen, newly updated interiors, screened patio, and plenty of natural light. Access resort-style amenities including pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, parks, playgrounds, and nature trails. Pet-friendly. Close to top-rated schools, shopping, highways, and more. Fast approval, HOA required. For more information, review the details below or contact Vilma Mansur at 954-449-2700.